Hello and welcome to Sellers Commerce Uniform Market. This training video is to help you set up a minimum cart total. This way you can require a customer to reach a certain cost threshold in order to be able to place an order on your website. You'll go to the admin area. Here you'll see the dashboard, and we'll go to the store settings module. From here we'll go to the store settings, and we will move to the Others tab. Here you can say, let's say you don't want to have any orders that are less than $100. You could say that the minimum purchase is going to be $100. You'll put in whatever the amount is that you require to be the minimum purchase. This way you don't get orders for, let's say, $7 or orders that just aren't worth it to you. You would then save and continue. And now when a customer goes on the front end and they want to go ahead and place an order, they'll have to reach that. Otherwise, they will get an error that kicks them back out, telling them to select something else. We do recommend that if you are going to use this service or module, to please put some sort of notification on your landing page, whether it's a standard image or if it's going to be in your carousel somewhere, so that the customer knows that they need to reach a certain amount in order to place an order. Hope this has been helpful. Thank you, and please email support@uniformmarket.com if you have any questions. Thank you.